Chamber dryer, a smart choice for quality brick production. In the brick production industry, the quality of the final product is the most important factor in success. One of the critical and decisive steps is the drying of raw bricks. Traditional methods such as drying with sunlight no longer meet today's needs, because low speed, dependence on weather conditions and high waste reduce productivity. This is where the chamber dryer enters the field as a modern and economical solution. Why a chamber dryer? A chamber dryer is an advanced system that, by precisely controlling temperature and humidity, dries raw bricks in a short time, evenly and without cracking. This technology allows you to have a stable and high-quality production in all seasons of the year, without worrying about weather conditions. Features and benefits for customers. 1. Guaranteed quality. Bricks dry without cracking or deformation. 2. High speed. Reduced drying time from days to hours. 3. Economic savings. Reduced waste means reduced production costs. 4. Production in all seasons. You will no longer have to worry about rain or humidity. 5. Higher productivity. The factory's production capacity increases and profitability increases. 6. Flexibility. The ability to adjust drying conditions to suit the type of soil and product. Conclusion. Investing in a chamber dryer is not just buying a machine. It is a big step towards improving product quality, increasing profitability and standing out in the competitive brick market. If you are looking for sustainable, fast and economical production, a chamber dryer is the best choice for you.